Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another MRE review. Guys, this is one of the only 24-hour military MRE rations you can find anywhere. Other than the first strike ration, this is the only 24-hour ration. It's made by MreMountain.com. If you guys don't know who Mre Mountain is, why don't you guys go take a look over at MreMountain.com. He's got some amazing MREs, foreign, old, new, you name it, it's there. All my 99% of my MREs are all from him. He's a great guy. This is menu 1. I believe he's got 3 menus. These are $49.99 on his website, which is a heck of a deal considering that this is a military grade MRE. Let's crack this thing open and see what's in here. This thing is loaded. It weighs a lot, a couple pounds. I believe it's also packing right around 3,000 calories. So let's crack this thing open and see what we got inside. I'm pretty excited because this is the first time I'm going to see it myself. But I really like the big wrapper that he did, all custom. Alright. So, some tortillas, pack of tortillas. This is menu 1, guys. Check that out. Pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. The new and improved pepperoni pizza. Yeah. Alright, so it's considering this is menu 1, the main course is that piece of pizza and meatballs and marinara. One of my absolute favorites. I love that meal. The sleeve for the meal. Drink pouch. Ooh, beef snack, which is a beef stick. And once again, guys, this is all military grade stuff. So the actual 24-hour MRE has not been approved by the military or anything, but this is a military grade 24-hour MRE. And we're not going to open any of this stuff up and eat it, guys. I'm just showing you guys what the contents are so you guys know that these are available if you're not wanting to carry 3 MREs. I mean, this thing is loaded with, you know, 3 full course meals plus tons of snacks. Here's your FRH. Oh, nice. Italian sticks. Italian bread sticks. Orange flavored drink. Nice big old pack of peanut butter. Cheese spread. This thing is loaded, man. Nice. Grape jelly. My all-time favorite, cheese spread with jalapenos. Amazing. Ooh, MRE trans fat-free lemon poppy seed pound cake. Another one of my favorites in the MRE series. Some apple jelly. Nice. He's really got this thing loaded, guys. Some applesauce with raspberry puree. That's nice. I love the applesauce in the MREs. And an MRE grape flavored drink mix. Nice. And then, of course, the old famous MRE spoon. And then your accessories pack. Standard accessories pack. Comes with your coffee, your poop wipe, some gum, sugar, salt. Yeah. So there it is, guys. That is a 24-hour military grade ration. And this is set up and customized by Mre Mountain. But this thing is loaded with tons of food, man. So I already see the grape jelly, the apple jelly. I'd probably, you know, put those on the, you know, on the peanut butter. I'd put those on the tortilla. The cheese spreads I'd probably put on the Italian bread. Of course, you got the the lemon poppy seed pound cake. That's going to be a great dessert. You got the 2 drink mixes plus your coffee. You got your applesauce. You got your pepperoni pizza. I mean, this thing is loaded. Now, unfortunately, the only thing that I see that kind of stinks is there's only one FRH. And you're going to want to probably heat up your meatball marinara with the pepperoni pizza together in that FRH, because since there's only one. Other than that, this thing is awesome. It's fully loaded. I really wanted to do a review and see what was all inside this thing, because I was pretty excited to get it. When he told me he had a military grade 24-hour MRE, I was on top of it immediately. So guys, go check him out, man. And like I said, this isn't just what he's got. He's got so much stuff, more stuff than you can imagine. Like I said, everything I'm doing right now, I do my reviews are all my foreign reviews. That whole series I'm doing is all from him. So, well, like I said, guys, I'm going to keep this short and simple. I just wanted to show you what's inside one of these new 24-hour MREs by MreMountain.com. So, guys, thanks a lot for sticking around. God bless. Go wild. We'll see you on the next one.